Yo guys, amazing routine today, which only consists of 5 rounds, so with regards to time everybody can do it. What is kind of important in my opinion with this routine is that you use a weight vest, because it only consists of 5 rounds. So the weight vest gives you this extra stimulus, which is important. So one round consists of 10 burpees, 10 duck walks, 20 forward lunges, 10 on each leg, and 10 burpee squat thrusters. You will see what it looks like. It's pretty much a 4-count burpee, so you go in the push-up plank position and then you thrust yourself forward in the squat position and you repeat this. Amazing routine. It just took me around 15 minutes. I'm sweating my ass off. Really hard, really good intensity. And yeah, I used the 15 kilo weight vest. As you can see here, I took out some weight. Yeah, some tissues if I need to cry for the workout, because of the workout. So yes, this weight vest has 20 kilo capacity in total. So I did it with 15 today. So guys, it doesn't take so much time always to work out, to train. You could even do this training without the weight vest if you don't have one at your hand, and you could increase the rounds. For example, without the weight vest you would go up to, let's say, 8 to 10 rounds easily. You can do that, and this gives you a really good workout, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know down in the comments below what was your training today. What is your current plan with regards to your training, with regards to nutrition, whatever is happening in your life, my friend. Let me know down below. Let's hear about you. I had cool guys checking in last time, which never commented before. Let's stop being invisible. I love all the support on my channel, but I know that many of you guys are just watching and don't leave a comment, but put yourself out there, write something, get in touch with the community, exchange not only with me but with the other people in the comment section. It's so beneficial, my friends. Trust me, you will really enjoy it. It will help you, and just gives you a good feeling, to put yourself out there in the world. Thank you very much for watching. As always, subscribe for more. Peace. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 duck walks. 10 lunges each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20. Let's go. 4-count or plank squat thrusters. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 burpees. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Duck walks. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 19. Hallo.
Sind Sie Polizist?
Nee. Wegen der Weste oder was?
Ja.
Nee, ist so zum Trainieren.
Ach so. Okay. Tragen.
10. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. 76. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. 82. 83. 84. 85. 86. 87. 88. 89. 90. 91. 92. 93. 94. 95. 96. 97. 98. 99. 100. 101. 102. 103. 104. 105. 106. 107. 108. 109. 110. 111. 112. 113. 114. 115. 116. 117. 1 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go. Squat thrusters. These suck with the weight vest. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last round. Let's go. Oh. Burpees. Two. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 8, 9, 10, duck walks. Two, three, four. The lunges. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brutal. Fuck. And then squat thrusters to finish. Four. And let me show you from the other side. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Boom.